Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to earn $400 a day with using AI. So let's get started. First of all, we have to just make a site using our AI. So I'm showing some sites. So let us search here as uh, AI tools list. Okay. So we are searching like this. Simply you can see at the top they have like top 10 AI intelligent tool list. So here we can see the list, or you can just go down and you can just see some small websites. So here you can see, by the way, the top 10 AI tools for business, Pictory, Jasper. So here they have added their referring. As you can see, they have referring. They have added referring. So if anyone will buy from this link, they will get a commission. And this goes to every paragraph they have like added to the Synthesia, Vovo AI, Image AI, Fireflies, Specify, Reply IO, Featherly, Triblo, and then many others. You can see at the same case of 250 like here tools you can see. So here we can see tools they have added their referrings. If anyone buy from here, they will get a commission, or register from here or buy later, then they will get commission. So you can see, so we have to make this type of site. So this type of to make this type of sites, we have to purchase a domain. So to purchase a domain, you can just use as Namecheap, and here you can use as Namecheap. So in Namecheap, you can just take the domain like this as is insider AI or AI, any AI domain. You can just okay. So here we can just do your Namecheap. So from here you can just search as AI list, my list of AI dot io. io. Just search like this. Okay. So here you can see this domain cost you about a $10, and this org domain cost you like a $7. So you can just purchase a $10 AI website. Okay. Not this AI. This .com you can just purchase, or org. If you go to your AI site, then it will be costing you about $80. Okay, so if you want to buy another domains, you can buy it more cheaper rates. It like you can see this domain at dot site will cost you about a $1 a year. So it's very cheap. You can just buy from here your org or .com. If you buy for .com, you have to pay approx like a $10. After taxes, it would be a 13 or $14. Then here when you pay, you have to just link to your WooCommerce, or you can just link to your uh, WordPress, and then you can build a website very easily. And then you have to just apply for your AdSense. So in AdSense you have to apply for as Google. So it's if anybody will come, they will see the ad first of all, and then you have to just make the account at the like you have to analyze the sites and make the account as per the account made in here. So when you make the account, then you can just paste the reference from here, and you will show your audience as that you are not selling a affiliate product. You are giving their uh, product like copy.ai, or here you can see many AI websites. So this is how you can just earn from your um, website $400 a day completely. So this is the best technique that you can earn. So you can just add an affiliate. So let us make a one affiliate. So here you can see, if I want to go to here at the top, I can go as copy.ai as Jasper AI. So I will click on go to Jasper AI. So here you can see at the last, we can just go at the last. So here we can see we have product, companies. So here we can just see the prompt, pricing, free tool. So here I will click search as Jasper referral link. So as you can see, Jasper a referral program. So here you have to just apply. So to apply, you have to click on apply, and simply you can see to become an Jasper affiliate, you have to just create a educational content of website, and you can reach an audience or ideal customer. Like marketers focus on content and strategy, don't market in the country, restricted on our regions. Bonus, if you use a Jasper product yourself, uh, what you get if accepted, access the resources, and that things you will get 30% of like commission. So for example, if anyone buy $100 plan, you will get a $30. So it's very much. You can just calculate. So you can just open here Jasper, your AI site, Jasper.ai. So here we can see their pricing. We can just go to start trial, or we can just go down at their Jasper. So we can just go to their pricing. So as you can see, their pricing are like it when you bill yearly, they will $99. So anyone would purchase this uh team plan yearly, so they will build as your $99. Okay, so you can just start like $99 a month, and it will be like 99 into 12, it will be done. So this is how you can just make a big amount of money using your ChatGPT AI. So here the ChatGPT is main, as here you can just go to a ChatGPT. So here we can see in the ChatGPT we can just write the block. So what if I want to just copy this, write this article in your words. So here we can see our ChatGPT is writing. So from here you can just copy and paste the content from here, and you can enjoy. So this is how you can just make a website and then make money. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.